Hey there guys, welcome back. You might be asking yourself, why am I even watching this guy's channel? And I'm here to let you know the very reason you are watching my channel. This is a channel based on real people. To get by, you have to work. We all have to work, we don't have a choice. I'm not going to sell you some Ponzi scheme or make you false promises that everything's going to be alright, or give you false hope, try and scam you in any way. I'm not here to do that. On this channel, we talk truth. On this channel, it's you and I. On this channel, you learn real world skills. You build real world projects so that you yourself, and only you yourself, can go out there and use those skills in real life, working for big companies, so that you can better your future. And no one else, and I promise you, no one else is going to do that but yourself. Only you yourself can push the envelope. Only you yourself are going to make a better future. I appreciate you guys watching, but I just want you guys to understand. Sometimes we have to go through the difficult times to get to the good times. Sometimes we have to go through the really shitty jobs, really hard jobs, to get to the good ones. I'm not going to tell you lies that maybe you guys even won a year. I'm not going to do that. No, because you're a person just like I am. And I respect people. I respect you. I'm honest with you. I'm upfront with you. We all have to work. That's just plain simple fact. To survive, we all have to work. We know all this talk about passive income and this in cryptocurrencies. The reality is we all have to work. And sometimes we have to really go through, we really have to make sacrifices. And it's up to you to make those sacrifices. If you can't afford one of my courses, that's all right. It doesn't matter. You can't afford it. It's okay. So take the free crash courses on YouTube. Take the free crash courses. They're nearly as good, and you'll be fine. I promise you, you'll be fine. Call me a bad businessman, but you know what? I'm sick and tired of all these people taking advantage of people that are less fortunate than themselves. I'm sick and tired of seeing all this rug pulling and all this nonsense that's going on. It really hurts me, because end of the day, we are all people. We are all people. Don't allow yourself to believe in all these lies. Please don't allow yourself to believe in all these lies. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe. I'm not going to force you to, and I don't want you to feel forced to. If you're going to watch my videos, watch my videos. But I don't want you to feel like you have to watch my videos. Watch if my content's great. But just know that on this channel, you will gain real world skills. Real world skills that you can use at real companies, and real honest advice. Real honest advice. I'll be as blunt as possible, as honest as possible. Listen, it's tough out there. It's not easy, guys. But you know what? You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that you can do it. I'm here. I haven't made it. I haven't made it yet, but I'm well on my way. I'm well on my way. And if you believe in yourself, you can also do it. Just face your fears, and always, always try your best to be a good person. In this ugly world, I understand it's very hard to be a good person, but try your best, because that's what we need more of. We need more good people. Something that we truly lack in this world. Good people. Honest people. People that are willing to sacrifice their time, their effort, in order to do the right thing. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video.